Why do cats make those weird chattering sounds? There are actually 3 reasons. Number 1, murder rehearsal. Yes, your cute kitties are actually predators. In the wild, they break their prey's neck with a lightning-fast vibrating bite. When your cat sees a bird outside the window, this jaw reflex kicks in automatically. Number 2, frustration. Your cat knows it can't reach the prey through the glass. This sound is just a release of nervous tension and pure disappointment. But the 3rd reason is the creepiest. Scientists noticed that wild cats mimic the sounds of their prey to lure them closer. So your little fluff ball might literally be trying to speak bird language to invite a pigeon over for lunch. Does your cat do this? Let me know in the comments.